Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video I'm going to cover the Bodum French press coffee maker. Okay, the Bodum French press coffee maker. I'm not 100% how that's pronounced. I don't know if it's cafetiera or cafetera. I don't know if the A is silent. If you know, just let me know in the comments below. I picked this up at Target for $25, and you know, for that price, you get the coffee maker, and you also get these two 12-ounce glass mugs. And this is some pretty good quality glass. Nice and thick. So that's neat. It's good quality. Even the glass on the French press is good quality. And you also get this handy scoop, which is equal to 1 tablespoon. And the plunger mechanism, the cover, the plunger mechanism, and the filter, it's all one piece. Try to give a good look at the filter. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. It's going to show how you make a pot of coffee. And I believe this is made in Switzerland. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the grounds directly in the pot, boil water, wait for it to cool a little bit, pour the water into the pot, stir it, put the cover back on, wait 4 minutes, press down on the plunger mechanism, which is going to filter out the grounds, and we're going to pour it right into the cup. Okay, now for measurements. For every 4 ounces, you're going to use 1 scoop or 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds. And you're going to be using a coarse grind. You don't want to use like a medium or fine grind because it would clog the screen. And it's also probably going to give you a bitter cup of coffee. So for this example, we're going to be making 2 cups of coffee. They're 12 ounces each, so that's 24 ounces of water. And that's going to come out to 6 scoops of coffee. And I already pre-measured the water in the kettle, so we'll get that started. And we're going to be using 6 scoops. I'm using 6 scoops, that's 1, 5, and 6. And since I like my coffee just a little on the bold side, we're going to do another half a scoop. Okay. Water is finished boiling. We're going to wait just a little bit because they say don't pour boiling water directly into the pot. Just to wait a little bit. And this is approximately 24 ounces. And another tip they gave in the manual is to use a plastic spoon. Don't use a metal spoon or else it'll scratch the glass. So just stir that around. We're going to put the cover on top, but we're not going to press down. And we're setting the timer for 4 minutes. Once the 4 minutes are up, we'll slowly press down on the plunger mechanism. That'll filter out the grounds, and we'll pour the fresh coffee right into our cup. Just grab the handle, secure it, and slowly press down. Make sure the screen is aligned with the spout, and we're going to pour. Let's see what temperature we get after waiting the 4 minutes. Remember, we didn't put boiling water. Once it stopped boiling, I waited like 20 seconds, then I poured it into the pot. And we waited 4 minutes before we filtered it, and we're still getting 170. So that's like what you would get out of a percolator. So it's a nice hot cup of coffee. I'm going to pour some milk in so you guys get an idea of strength. smells great. Let's see. That's nice and hot. Delicious. I've done, I don't know how many coffee makers on this channel, you know, electric coffee makers. But you do notice more flavors when you use a French press. And no grounds in the coffee. Once again, you want to use a coarse grind coffee. But yeah, you get no material in the cup. That's nice and hot, and it has really good flavor. Yeah, I'm impressed. You know, I got 3,000 subscribers on this channel. I want to thank everyone for that. And I want to expand past just the electric coffee makers. I want to go into French presses, pour-overs. At some point, we'll be doing stovetop coffee makers. Let's take one more sip. Yeah, that is very good. That's great. I'm impressed. I'm a big fan. Well, there you go, the Bodum French press coffee maker. That's going to be the video. If you made it this far, I thank you for watching. I hope it was interesting. I hope it was helpful for anyone who's interested in purchasing a French press. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I love reading your feedback as always. Please like the video. Please share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. It helps my channel out tremendously. And I will catch you in my next one.